Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Ron and today I'm going to be showing you the Jabra Elite 65T Bluetooth earphones. Now as you can see, I've got two colors here. This one I've already unboxed. I'll show you the unboxing of the copper color. This is the titanium gray. I personally love these earphones because they have been built for calling as well as a good music experience. Right? I take a lot of meetings, while on the move, and a lot of Bluetooth headsets have failed me, but the Jabra Elite 65T by far did not pose any problems. There were no complaints of, voice breaking or background noise, a lot of background noise that way, and the person at the other end could hear me clearly. So this is practically the earphones, the one that I've already unboxed. It's pretty, lightweight. It charges, as soon as you just put it in the case. You can see the red light blinking. There you go. And the moment you bring it out of the case, it automatically connects to your phone that's already paired, just like the AirPods do. So you can say they are the earphones that replace the AirPods for Android devices. I would term them as that. So let's just quickly get on to the unboxing and show you how the copper color looks like. So here's the box. Nothing much here on the back, just a few description text. It has voice assistant enabled for Alexa as well as Google Home. Getting to the unboxing, let me just snip off these tapes here. I know guys, I need to buy a better knife. I'll be doing that soon. Alright, this thing just slides off. A yellow box, and look at those, beautiful. Welcome to Superior Sound by Jabra. Nice. Keeping this aside, you have the case here. It's exactly the same case as the one in the titanium. Not exactly, actually. If this is matte finish and this is glossy finish, so Jabra has given a different finish to the cases based on the color. Alright. Frankly, I like the matte one better. Keeping that back in, what do we have here? Some sort of documentation. A micro USB charging cable and some earplugs to adjust it according to your ear size. Now, so looking at the titanium one and the copper one, difficult to, no, there you go. Side by side, that's how they look. Oh, I love these one better than the titanium, but it's a personal preference. Let's keep this aside. Let's show you how quickly it connects. I'm just going to pick up the headphone, cover it. It says Jabra Elite 65T connected to phone audio. When I have uncovered the sensor, means it detects that it's no longer in my ear and it's put back in the case. It gets disconnected. I just love that about these earphones. Right, it's actually, now it'll be disconnected completely. Right, the moment you put it in the case, the case charges via micro USB. It charges the earphones and it lasts for about 5 hours, as in with proper usage. Jabra claims around 5 hours and 15 hours with the charging case. So apparently they claim that the case can charge it three times over. So if you're looking for a pair of earphones which is reasonably priced and has superior audio quality, you can always go for the Jabra 65T. I got the second one on a sale on Amazon. It retailed for around 10,499 with a cashback amount of 1,000 rupees on Amazon in the recent sale. So I mean, the best deal that you can get for this earphones, at least as per my experience, is 9,500 rupees. So I'll leave the link in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel, of course. This is Ron. Thank you for joining in. I'll be signing off now. Thank you. Bye-bye.